Okay, tips and tricks for your X-H1. Go to Screen Setup, and then go over to page 3. Now, first let's look at this option. You actually have sub-monitor background color. Right now it's set to black. Right now it's on. So the lettering is white, the background's black. This is it turned on. You also can change it to, let me go, change it to white. So right now it's off on both. If I change it to white, this is it turned on. So I'm going to set it back to black. Importantly, you can actually customize the display for both still, i.e. photography, and movie mode. And right now I have it set for shutter speed, aperture, exposure comp, ISO, photometry, and photometry, shutter type, and battery level. Now it only shows one battery here, but since I have the vertical grip attached, as you can actually see here, it shows the level for all 3 batteries. The camera battery is top, and then left and right, obviously, for the vertical grip. And that is really nice. And then, there we go. Very nice. So, there's your little tip and trick for setting up your top display, or what Fujifilm calls the sub-monitor, which is kind of obtuse. Let's just call it the top display, because that's exactly what it is. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and catch you later. Let me know if there's any tips or tricks or anything you want to know on the X-H1, and goodbye.